Hello, welcome to Climb English. If you want to improve your English listening skills, you are in the right place. Today, I will tell you a story about my daily life at school and home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more stories. My name is Alex. I am 17 years old, and I live in a small town with my family. I am a friendly and curious person. I like reading books and listening to music. Every day, I try to learn something new. I want to speak English better, so I practice every day. I wake up at 6:30 every morning. I get out of bed and brush my teeth. Then I wash my face and get dressed. My mom makes breakfast for our family. We usually eat eggs and toast. Sometimes we have fruit or cereal. We sit together at the table and talk about our plans for the day. My dad reads the newspaper, and my little sister plays with her toys. After breakfast, I pack my school bag and put on my shoes. My mom gives me a big smile and says, "Have a good day." Then I leave for school. My school starts at 7:30 in the morning. I walk there with my best friend, Emma. We like to talk and laugh on the way. My first class is English. I really enjoy learning new words and practicing conversations. My teacher is very kind and always helps us. After English, we have math. It is not my favorite subject, but I try my best. During break time, I eat a sandwich and chat with my friends. We sometimes play games or tell jokes. In the afternoon, we have science and history. I like science because we do fun experiments. History is interesting too. I love hearing stories about the past. At 2:30, school ends and I walk home feeling tired but happy. When I get home from school, I take off my shoes and wash my hands. My mom always prepares a small snack for me. Sometimes it's a sandwich, and sometimes it's fruit. I sit at the kitchen table and tell her about my day. After that, I rest for a little while or listen to music. Then I start my homework. If I don't understand something, my dad helps me. In the evening, I help my mom with dinner or clean up my room. My little sister likes to follow me around and ask questions. We often laugh and play together before dinner. On weekends, my family and I spend time together. Saturday is our fun day. In the morning, we go to the park. My dad and I play basketball while my sister rides her bike. My mom brings snacks and takes pictures of us. After the park, we sometimes go to the market to buy fresh vegetables and fruit. On Sunday, we usually stay home and relax. We watch movies or play board games. Last weekend, we had a barbecue in our backyard. My dad grilled chicken and my mom made a big salad. We ate outside and listened to music. My sister spilled juice on the table and we all laughed. It was a simple but happy day. I love weekends with my family. One day, something sad happened. Our cat, Luna, got sick. She didn't eat or play, and she just slept all day. My sister cried because she was very worried. My parents took Luna to the vet, and we waited at home. I felt nervous. Later, the vet said Luna had a cold and gave her medicine. After a few days, she got better. We were so happy and gave her lots of hugs. That day, I felt how much we love her. In the future, I want to travel with my family. We dream of going to Japan because we love Japanese food and culture. I want to see cherry blossom trees and visit a big bookstore. My dad wants to try sushi, and my mom wants to wear a kimono. My sister just wants to see cute animals. I hope one day we can go there together. It would be a special memory for all of us. I feel lucky to have my family. They make every day special, even the small moments. We laugh, learn, and grow together. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Climb English.